Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Word is present and licensed on your laptop. Open Word to confirm activation and latest updates. Once done, locate the documents you need and copy them into a local folder. Do not rely on cloud-only locations. Make sure auto-save is off when you plan to work offline, and note where templates and fonts are stored so Word can access them without internet. This prepares Word and your files so the next steps run smoothly. Now switch Word into a purely local workflow. Disable auto-save at the top, then go to File Account and sign out of OneDrive if you want strict offline operation. Install required fonts and templates directly into Windows and Word's template folder so formatting stays consistent. Add-ins must be installed locally too. Open each document from your local folder, check comments and track changes, and confirm features like spell check, styles, and citation. Finish by saving all edits to your local copies and create a backup with save as to a different folder or external drive. When you reconnect, sync carefully. Update citations, references, or linked objects that need online resources. If Word behaves oddly offline, first restart the app, then check disabled add-ins and reinstall any that cause errors. If documents lose formatting, ensure the needed fonts and templates are installed. This single check fixes most offline formatting problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.